In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Xero support. Navigating the world of online support can sometimes feel overwhelming. Whether you've hit a snag in your accounting tasks or just need some quick advice on how to use a Xero feature, reaching out to Xero support is the way to go. Today, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. First things first, let's start at the very beginning. Make your way to Xero's official website. This is your gateway to a plethora of resources, including the support you're looking for. Once you're on the site, you'll want to locate the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here is your first step into a more personalized experience on the Xero platform. Next up, it's time to authenticate your identity by typing in your email and password. This might seem like a small step, but ensuring your login credentials are entered correctly is crucial for a seamless experience. Following your credentials input, simply click on Login to access your Xero dashboard. The dashboard is your command center, where you can manage all things related to your accounting needs in Xero. Now that you're in, look towards the top right again, but this time for a question mark icon. This tiny symbol is your beacon for help and support within Xero. Clicking it reveals various support options, including the one we're focused on today. After clicking the question mark, navigate your way to the Contact Xero Support option. This link is your direct line to getting the assistance you need. Xero has designed this system to be incredibly user-friendly, guiding you every step of the way. Upon selecting to contact support, you'll be prompted to provide details about your concern. This is where being clear and concise with your problem statement is key. The more accurately you can describe what you're experiencing, the better support can assist you. Whether it's a bug, a usability query, or something else, laying it all out clearly here makes a world of difference. Remember to include any necessary screenshots or documents that can help articulate your issue. There's provision for this in the form. Before we continue, it's valuable to highlight that Xero, understanding the vast array of concerns customers might have, does not offer direct phone support. However, they've got a reassuring workaround for urgent matters. If your concern is deemed urgent, Xero's support team will call you back, free of charge. This commitment to resolving pressing issues quickly ensures that your operations are not hindered by unforeseen software snags. Reaching out to Xero support, therefore, is not just about finding resolutions, but also about leveraging the array of tools and personalized assistance Xero offers. It's about making the most of the software, ensuring you can continue your work with minimal disruption. As we wrap up this guide, let's recap the essential steps. Starting from logging into your account to detailing out your specific concern, each step plays a pivotal role in the support journey. Throughout this process, remember that clarity and communication can greatly enhance the support team's ability to assist you effectively. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to contacting Xero support, distilled into straightforward steps. Xero's commitment to user satisfaction shines through its structured and user-friendly support process. Whether it's a small query or a significant hurdle, knowing how to navigate this process can save you time and get you back on track quickly. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more guides and tips designed to make your digital experience smoother. Don't hesitate to drop your questions or share your experiences in the comments section below. Your insights could greatly help the community. Until next time, happy Xeroing.